Hi, my name is Becca Stroop and I graduated the class of 2010 and wanted to just share a few things about my time at Broadfording. First question is, what was special about my time at Broadfording? And hands down, I would say the first thing that came to mind was the fact that it was a intimate and personal environment where the staff across the board really were intentional to get to know the students and their families. From the principals to staff to coaches across the board, they just really took the time to get to know you. I was not just a face or a name, I was a person with a heart and a personality, and they really came alongside as I sought to figure out who I want to be, what do I want to do with my life, what kind of person am I going to become, and they, I think, really championed us along the way as we figured out those things in our early years of life. And the way that they just cared for us beyond our academic success or our athletic achievements. They valued those things absolutely, but then they also came alongside us and really cared for us as people, as a whole person.
Hello, my name is Faith Lee and I graduated from GVCS Broadfording in 2023. I'm currently a sophomore studying animal science at Cornell University. I think the most special thing about my time at GVCS Broadfording was getting the chance to meet students from a variety of different cultural backgrounds and being able to learn with them and share information, share study tactics, and be able to grow a deeper connection with them, especially because we were such a smaller class. And I liked being able to work together with them in a collaborative environment instead of always competing with one another, although the friendly competition did encourage me to try harder as well. I'm currently studying animal science and I hope to go into veterinary school and become a small animal or exotics veterinarian after I graduate. And I'm hoping that through my efforts, I'll be able to provide more affordable and easier treatments for both cats and dogs, and also be able to participate in conservation efforts for endangered species across the world. That's it. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Ajimbe. I'm from the Gambia. My experience at JVCS Broadfording has been truly special. From the first day at school to the last day of my graduation with a very good GPA. And what made it so special is that I have all the love, the support, the help I needed from the staffs, because they concentrate on helping the student and build them, make sure they have a self-confidence in themselves, which make me a better person I am today. And I'm a student at San Diego State University, and my major was public health, and now I'm gonna switch it to gerontology, because gerontology is something that I'm so passionate about, something that I love, and that's what I'm gonna stick with, because I also want to help people, especially the elderly people, because gerontology is like working with the elderly people. And as a young adult, that's something that I wanted to do, and I hope to impact the world with the love and help other people that needed more help. Thank you.